Hi, welcome back to the marketplace. Telecommunication firm Vodafone Plc has agreed to sell its Ghana business to Telecel Group. This is part of the British telecommunication giant's resolve to refocus on key markets. Now, according to Bloomberg, the London-listed company will sell its majority stake in Vodafone Ghana to Africa-focused Telecel, subject to certain conditions. Now, Vodafone entered Ghana in 2008 when it acquired 70% stake of Ghana Telecommunication Company for $900 million. Let's bring in Maximus Ametogor, who is a digital marketing strategist. Good to have you on the program this afternoon. Your thoughts about this latest development? If the British telecoms giant wants to refocus on key markets, it means the Ghana business is not as profitable as it expects. Is that a fair analysis?
Yeah, I think that's the obvious conclusion, that they've not been able to survive this market because of competitions or other factors that they could not upscale.
And what do we know about Telecel and if they are up to the job?
I know Telecel, they have some footprint in some of the markets, and they are quite innovative. I don't know how they are going to turn around the Vodafone Ghana to be able to compete with the giants in the market, the likes of MTN. So I don't know whether they are going to focus on a niche market, maybe focus on some particular service, whether smart homes or data or content provision. I don't know what their strategy is, but I'm sure they've evaluated the market, and they've realized that Vodafone Ghana will be a good buy for them, and they'll come to Ghana too as well.
We are picking information that the government may object to this acquisition. Is it a right posture?
It depends, because I'm sure government will be protecting their interests because they hold 30% shares in Vodafone. So whoever is coming must also have the interest of the government at heart. So government will also be very particular about how and who gets to buy the company and how their interests will be protected. That is an obvious stand. But I hope it's not something that somebody else's interest is fronting that decision. But I believe government will also fight for their interest. So that's what I think.
Well, what kind of due diligence should the government make at this point?
Yeah, of course. I'm sure they will check their previous records and what the company will offer in our market. That will be different from what the existing giants are providing, and how they are going to also, beat competition, how innovative they will be to be able to capture or maintain the current market size that Vodafone Ghana has, and of course be profitable so they can employ more Ghanaians and also pay taxes to the government.
But what should you, or what do you think should be the way forward?
The way forward is for them to negotiate. Let them come to the table and let everybody make an offer. And if they come to a happy medium, why not? They should strike that deal and then get the ecosystem, the telecom sector going.
Any reason Vodafone subscribers should be worried upon hearing about this news?
Yeah, of course, they shouldn't be. They should be worried if they don't know about Telecel. Of course, they shouldn't be worried because maybe government will make sure their interest is taken into consideration, and they shouldn't fear, because from Ghana Telecom to Vodafone and the rest, there's migration. If there's no pull factor from the competitor in the market, I'm not sure they should be worried. It's also acquiring the Vodafone who should be concerned, because if they are not coming to maintain the status quo and improve it, they will lose a lot of customers.
And what does this latest development say about telecoms industry here in Ghana? Is it becoming increasingly difficult to operate, seeing what happened with Airtel, Tigo? Expresso is out, right? Glow is still operating, but not making much impact.
Yeah, I heard Glow, they've migrated their customers onto the Airtel platform. So they are sharing the infrastructure. So Glow networks are there. I don't know what will come of it. The government also has shares in Airtel. For me, I think it's a clear indication that one market player has been able to entrench their position as a giant in the telecom sector. They've innovated their way to the top, and this particular incident will maybe entrench further their position, and they will innovate more so nobody can beat them, even in niche services that they are going to offer. And based on what they have presented, the MTN brand, let me say, they are not calling themselves a techno, not a telco. So they are not into a technology company, not a telecom company. So they are not just offering communication service, but they are going to offer content and other services. And that's going to be what do you call it? A development that a new entrant is going to find it difficult to beat.
All right, Maximus Ametogo, thanks for your thoughts this afternoon.